At patunay ng isang dating mag-aaral ng isang national high school ay maaaring maging matagumpay sa larangan ng kanyang pinili. Mga minamahal namin nagsipagtapos, panauhin, bigyan sa natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan ang ating inspirasyon ngayong hapon, binibining Kimberly R. Ombak.
Please be seated po. Good afternoon, everyone. First, I would like to thank our MC and Mamutia for the introduction, and to Isolde National High School for inviting me as your guest speaker on this very special and momentous occasion. It is truly an honor for me to stand here today, not just as speaker, but as someone who once sat exactly where you are right now. So, to our district supervisor, Ma'am Glenda Mendoza, to our sa atin pong kinatawan ng tagapagmasipang porok ng distrito ng Abornan, Ma'am Maylene Villarosa, Head Teacher 3 of Maliit Elementary School, and to our school principal, Ma'am Marlene B. Manalo, esteemed guests, proud parents, the faculty and staff, and most especially, the graduates of today. Kayo po ang bida ngayong hapon na ito. So, my warmest greetings to all of you. Congratulations, graduates, for reaching this important milestones. Congratulations to the parents who stood as your foundation, your strength, and your and congratulations to the teachers who never gave up guiding and shaping these young minds. Years ago, maybe 6 or 7 years ago, hindi pa naman ganun katanda, no? I was also seated in those same chairs. Just like you, I had a heart full of dreams and aspirations.